To make this table dynamic, the first thing that we need to do is to build a database that can store the events data that are currently listed in this table. To do this, go to the Data Models tab, which is one of Dittofi's back-end tools. Databases are simply collections of tables. Here, we already have one table that is part of our database called Users. To add a new table to our database, click on Add or Import and Create New Table. Give the table a name, call it Events, because this table is going to store our events data. Next, we need to add columns to our table. The columns we are going to add are going to be the same as the columns on the front end of our app, which are event name, event by, and event starting at. To add the event name column, click the plus button here, then give the column the name event name. Choose the type of data that is going to be stored in this column. In our case, this will be single line text, and then click Save. After this, add the event by in the same way. Click the plus button here, then give the column the name event by, and choose the data type single line text. Finally, add the event starting at column by again clicking the plus button here, then give the column the name event starting at, and choose the data type date time, since this column is going to store date time values. Now that we have a database set up, we can add some test events to the database. To do this, click on the plus button here, then fill out the form with an event name such as App Launch Program, event by such as Dittofi Labs, and an event starting at date such as November 22nd at, let's say, 11 a.m. Click Save to add the data to the events table. Pause the video now and try adding your own events table with the columns event name, event by, and event starting at, and insert some test data of your own.